Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, May 23rd. It's been almost a month since I've talked to you, and I got a list of things, but it has been busy here. So let's talk about that, shall we? We're going to talk about how there is always some laundry left to do. Welcome to the Seventh Seal Podcast. Let's go. All right, so the actual title of this episode is You Will Always Have Laundry. And that struck me a couple weeks ago. I had everything done. Friday night was a rip-roaring party. I did nothing. So I got home after work, did some payroll stuff, and then commenced to saying, hey, it's still sunny and nice out. Let's not pretend like this is a winter night, even though it was cold. So I got laundry done. I got lots of things done Friday night. Now this is pretty aggressive partying. So I got all my dress shirts done, on hangers, put away. Everything was done. There's a few things not done in laundry, but thought, you know what? I got most of it done. I can wrap the rest of it up on Sunday. Did all my cleaning, and then I looked at the list. Oh, I got to do the baseboards. Oh, I got to do the floors. Oh, I got to do oh man, the glass looks kind of shitty because the sun's finally out and it's hitting, and I'm like, ooh, those need to be done. The list continued to grow. Same thing yesterday. I actually took a vacation day, and I think that may be the first vacation day I've taken in 26. I think. I'd have to think back, but I don't think I've been anywhere. Doesn't feel like it. I'm going somewhere in June, but yesterday was an actual attempted vacation day. Still did some work, but that's okay. Went to the cemetery, got that cleaned up, put the flowers in, went to camp, and I'm hitting on all 8. I'm having a good day. It's a tough day. The cemetery always is. But it was a good day because things were getting done. I got to camp. I'm like, all right, here's the list of things I want to get done. New building coming in a couple weeks. So I want to get the grass cut up there. There's a lot of grass to cut. I bought a push mower so that I would get some exercise, forced labor, if you will. And I cut this grass. Well, then I cut the lane. Well, then the lane had a couple of sticks that were sticking out, and I did the same thing. I took an accomplished day and awfulized it. And instead of saying, okay, this is the list, stick to that. Don't worry about the ancillary things that you find along the way as you do clean up, because some of the things the trees that I trimmed are now in bloom. And guess what happens when that happens? They start to droop a little bit. All of a sudden, new branches are there, and you got to trim those back. And then I found another tree that I need to cut down. Again, I awfulized the great momentum and success I was having throughout the day. And I finally, after talking about the John Henry effect of the last podcast episode, I'm going to John Henry this bitch. I'm going to make sure I hammer it all the way through. And my cousin Vic, he's like, I was telling him an analogy about running out of track and running out of racetrack. That's the life, the racetrack of life. And he said, man, I hope you don't run out of gas before you run out of track. And that hit me too. So yesterday I caught myself in this manic, holy shit, I want to get this done, this ice storm damage, I want to get this cleaned up. And I sat down. I sat down on the porch, Dad's old chair, and it was awesome. I had a mango-flavored bubbly water, which was terrific, refreshing. And I sat there for the whole drink, the whole can of pop. I sat right there, forced myself to not get up, not have my phone on me. I'm getting rid of my Samsung watch because I don't want that level of connectivity. That is going to be another episode. How in touch do we really want to be? That's the next one, I think. But yeah, I sat there and I enjoyed the property. Just sitting still for, 10 minutes, maybe 15 tops. And thought about myself and thinking, okay, dummy, be happy about the grass you did get cut, not disappointed in the grass you didn't get cut. Be happy about the trees you did get trimmed, not the ones that you want to trim. Functionally, everything I needed to get done yesterday was done. It was a good day, really good day. And instead of awfulizing it and making it the list, I said, okay, be happy with the accomplishments. Enjoy it. We as humans are rarely satisfied with what we get accomplished in a day. Some people are. Some people just say, oh, yep, it's the old Bugs Bunny cartoon with the two animals, the two dogs that would beat the shit out of each other. They'd punch in as buddies and just go at it for 8 hours and then punch out, and they were buddies again. Love that episode. God, those were fun. But that was their day. I mean, they had the same thing every day, and they were satisfied with that. Most of us aren't. Most of us want to accomplish things. We have a list that never really gets completed. And that's okay. That's good. That's what keeps us going. What we do need to do is sit back and be thankful and happy. And you can be proud of your accomplishments. If cutting the grass is the thing you wanted to get done, and you got that done, be happy. If you got that done, and maybe a couple other things that you didn't expect to get done, be super happy. Enjoy life. One of my, I don't know if not nephew really, but kind of, he reminded me of this quote in one of my chapters, and it was good. I needed to hear that. I wrote it, but I needed to hear it. And life is something to be experienced, not endured. And that's a fact. And so many of us get in that full gas, pedal down, let's go like hell mode that we never really stop to experience life. We are enduring it. Don't want to do that anymore. That feeling of guilt for taking a vacation day, a day off, one day, that eased as the day went on. Now work still called, and there were still things that needed to be handled, and that's okay. I don't mind that as long as I get my stuff done on my day off. It's okay. The flip side of that coin is I will always have laundry. There will always be work. It doesn't matter if I take a day off or if I don't. The same amount of things will get done eventually. I have an excellent team, so I didn't have to worry about the businesses. All I did was know that they had it handled. We kept in contact throughout the day. It worked. It was beautiful. A couple of years ago, I would have left camp and gone back to work because there's some chaos going on and all over the place. Not just bad chaos, but good chaos. I mean, things out of control a little bit, that's chaos. It's not always a bad thing. It's a lot of things happening all at once. And that was yesterday. Holy moly, we had stuff going on both sides of the state, and it was good. Good stuff. But it's still going to be there Monday, Tuesday. It'll be Tuesday this week because of Memorial Day. Everything's still going to be there when I get back. There will always be more work. I need to understand that it's okay. We all do. This is the lesson. I'm using myself as the lesson, but we all need to understand the accomplishments we achieve should be celebrated, not just put on a list and said that's not enough. Be happy, be thankful, get some shit done, and celebrate it. Why not? Life is short, and the line gets shorter every day. Embrace it. Experience it. Don't endure it. I'm going to come back to the beginning of this episode, and why is it called You Will Always Have Laundry? Now, that Friday night that I got everything done, and that gave me all kinds of more open opportunity to do more things and be more disappointed. Sunday came, and I thought, okay, let's get this thing done. Finished up the last load of laundry. There was just a few things. And then I looked at myself and I'm like, damn it, I got to take a shower. Now, this is early in the morning. You will always have laundry. Unless you walk around the house naked, which is fine for some of you. I would never do that to anybody personally here. Nobody needs to see this naked. That's the epiphany. You will always have laundry. Even though you've got everything in the house, every towel, every washcloth, everything, except for what you're wearing. You'll always have laundry. You'll always have things to do. You'll always have more things to do, and that's good. If you get them all done, that's the last day. I would say, I don't want to see everything all done anytime soon. Let's keep going. This podcast is officially over. Short one, 9 minutes, just over. It was good chatting with you guys. Experience life, don't endure it. Enjoy the things you get done and look forward to the things yet to be done. Don't look at it as a compounding list. Look at it as something to pick at. You'll get it. I know you will. All right, that's enough out of me. Enjoy your long weekend. Celebrate those that have given their lives for us in this country, best country on the planet. And I will talk to you again soon. Thanks, everybody. Take care.